Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Boss. Imagine having one AI assistant that can access every state-of-the-art language model out there, all in one place. Well, today I'm introducing you to something that is about to change the way you interact with AI. It is called Chat LLM Teams, the world's first super assistant, and it is packed with incredible features that will help you and your team thrive. Let's dive into how Chat LLM brings all the best language models right to your fingertips and why it is the ultimate AI solution you have been waiting for. Access to multiple AI models. With Chat LLM, you get access to some of the most advanced large language models available today, including GPT-4, Grok, Sonnet, Gemini, and Abacus. This is not just another AI tool, it is an AI assistant that lets you switch between different models with ease. Why does this matter? Well, each language model has its unique strengths, and now you have the power to choose the right model for the task at hand. Whether you are generating content, analyzing data, or even building custom AI agents, Chat LLM allows you to select the best model for your needs. And here is the best part. You only need one Chat LLM subscription to access all these powerful models. It costs just $10 per month, and the first month is completely free. This means you get access to a team of AI models ready to assist you, all for the price of one. The link is available in the description so you can start using the world's top AI models today. Comparing responses from different AI models. Let's try an example. Suppose we ask, what are the best marketing strategies in 2025? First, we will use GPT-4 to see its insights and ideas. Now, let's switch to Cloud Sonnet and check its suggestions. Next, we will use Llama with the same prompt. Llama often provides simple and straightforward answers, making it easy to grasp essential points. By comparing their responses side by side, you do not have to rely on just one AI model. Instead, you can explore different viewpoints to make better and more informed decisions. Chat with PDFs. Chat LLM also offers a Chat with PDFs feature. You can upload any PDF document such as research papers, reports, business documents, ebooks, or presentations. Once uploaded, simply ask the AI to summarize the document and it will provide you with a clear and concise summary in seconds. But that is not all. You can also ask specific questions about the document and the AI will instantly give you accurate answers. This feature saves you the trouble of searching manually through lengthy documents. Whether you are preparing for a project, reviewing complex material, or studying for exams, Chat LLM ensures you get exactly what you need from your documents with ease and speed. Humanized AI writing. One of the standout features of Chat LLM is its Humanized AI writing tool. This feature ensures that AI-generated content sounds natural and human-like. For example, if you ask the AI to write an article on social media marketing, it will generate a well-structured piece. After it generates the content, you can click the Humanize button to refine it further. You can change the tone to suit your needs, such as making it more professional or clearer for general audiences. And if you want your work to pass AI detection tools, simply click Humanize again and select AI Detector Proof. Chat LM will rewrite the text to ensure it reads as though it was crafted by a person. This feature is perfect for creating polished, customized, and authentic content for assignments, blogs, or professional documents. It ensures your text always feels natural and genuine. AI-powered coding assistants. Chat LLM also simplifies coding, even for beginners. For instance, if you want to create a quiz app with multiple choice questions, just type in a prompt like, create a quiz app that gives multiple choice questions. Hit enter, and the AI will generate the entire code for your app. You can review the code, modify it if needed, and even run it directly. The result is a functional quiz game, ready to use. Whether you are developing apps, websites, or games, this feature makes coding accessible, fast, and efficient. Perfect for students, developers, or anyone exploring the world of programming. AI image analysis. Now, let's talk about Chat LLM's image analysis feature. Simply upload an image and the AI will describe and explain its content in detail. This feature can identify objects within an image, interpret text present in the image, analyze complex visuals. It provides accurate and insightful responses, helping users in various fields from research and content creation to technical analysis. Chat LLM also makes AI video creation simple and efficient. With support for advanced models like Hailuo, Kling, Luma, and Runway, you can effortlessly generate stunning videos. Here's how it works. Choose your preferred AI model, select the mood, and enter a creative prompt. Click Generate, and within seconds, the AI will create a professional quality video based on your instructions. This feature is perfect for social media content, presentations, or marketing campaigns, making video production easier than ever before. AI image generation. In addition to video creation, Chat LLM offers a powerful AI image generator. It supports models like Flux and Ideogram to generate high-quality images. To use this feature, choose your preferred AI model. Enter your prompt with a detailed description of the image you want. Specify the aspect ratio to customize the output. Click Generate, and within seconds, Chat LLM will create a stunning AI-generated image based on your instructions. If you are looking for an all-in-one AI solution that is powerful, easy to use, and incredibly valuable, then Chat LLM Teams is the way to go. And the best part, it costs only $10 per month, with the first month completely free. Get started today. Why wait? Click the link in the description below to start your free trial and experience the future of AI today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and comment below if you have any questions. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.